Stop telling yourself you are lazy because you are not. The reason why you haven't started is because you are avoiding discomfort. You know that uncomfortable, scary, awkward feeling that comes with starting something new. I understand this perfectly because I've been there. I used to make plans upon plans, save quotes, watch endless videos, and tell myself I was going to start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. So I thought I was lazy, but I discovered that I wasn't ready to feel exposed, unsure, and uncomfortable. So if you're watching this video right now, I want you to know that you are not lazy either. The only thing is you haven't been able to figure out how to walk through this discomfort yet. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the mindset shifts that I want you to adopt if you find yourself in this situation. The first one is stop waiting for the perfect moment. I want you to know that there is nothing like a perfect time. If you're waiting to feel ready, confident, waiting for when things will align or when everything will be at your disposal, it is not going to happen because there is nothing like a perfect moment. All you have to do is start out. Start with what you have. Start from where you are. If you keep on waiting for when everything will align before you start, I'm sorry to disappoint you. That time may never come because there's nothing like perfect moments. Then the next point I want you to know is stop waiting for clarity before you begin. You don't have to figure everything out before you start. Clarity comes after you have executed something and not before it. Have you noticed that people who are confident were once confused before? They did not wait to have everything sorted out before they started. They started figuring things out along the line, but that was because they've actually started. Only learn what works after you've started something. You don't learn it before. So you can start figuring things out along the line, but the most important thing is you have started already. So due to the fact that you've started, that is now when you will now start seeing what you need to improve on, what you need to work on, the things you're going to add or remove as the case may be. But you don't do all these things by sitting and thinking. You get the clarity after you've executed something. So things start becoming clear to you because you've actually started something, you've actually started doing something, and you now see where you can improve on. So clarity doesn't come from sitting and thinking. It comes from execution. It comes after you've started out something. Then the next point I want you to take away is take a honest step. You don't have to wait for motivation before you will start because to me, motivation is a trap. You could watch and listen to all the motivational speeches that are out there. If you don't take the bold step to actually do something, nothing will change. That is why you see most people, they keep on learning, listening, consuming here and there, and nothing is changing. Not because they don't have enough information, but the difference is in the action. So if you want to become somebody that is doing the right thing, learn to take the step. Don't just be a consumer. If you consume the information, ensure you take a honest step of executing it. That is how changes begin. If you consume all the motivational talks that are out there without actually executing or carrying out those tasks, nothing will change. You will become stuck. You will just be in one position year in, year out. Ensure you work on what you've been listening to or what you've been consuming. That is only when change will begin. If you know this video hits home for you, I would love you to drop a comment and subscribe to this channel because I share content like this here on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.